Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to Anika's channel. My name is Anika. I am a newbie and I am not a professional, but I'm learning makeup. I do create different kind of makeup looks. Today I'm here with a retro pink and purple look created by the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. As you guys can see, it just came out so nice. And also, all my new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and everyone like this video, share it, and spread some love. I already moisturized my face. I am just using this Versali Blur Serum wherever I have large pores. It will help me to my face to blur out all the pores basically. Then I'm using the Milani primer where I tend to sweat a little more, especially my T-zones. Then I'm using my favorite concealer. You guys already know this by now. On this video I tried to do something different and I put it wherever I have hyperpigmentation instead of using a color corrector, and it kind of came out nice, and I think I will do it more often now on. You guys can see it just like gave me a clean canvas, especially around my eye area, and I can work on it. Then I'm setting all the places with the Huda Beauty Loose setting powder. The shade is Banana Bread. This powder is a bomb. I really love this. It just gives a very smooth and nice look. Introducing my new palette. So first, I'm using the Off Balance as my transition shade. You guys can see it's so pigmented. I just took a very small amount of product and it just, yeah, it's really pigmented. Then I'm using the Hot Mess. I'm focusing more towards the outer part of my eyes and kind of like blending it into the Off Balance. But I'm trying to deepening up my outer V, basically. And now I'm trying to create a V, like a sharp line, using the same darker shade Hot Mess, and just like, you know, like creating a more darker outer corner. I'm using this foundation. I mean, this thing, like it just kind of gives me a guide where I want to end my eyeshadow. It's easier. Some people use tape. I find using this more easier, and I think it's, yeah, just helps, you know. I don't want anything sharp, but I also don't want to go my eyeshadow way more like down, or you know, it may change my eye shape then I'm popping some of the Cosmic with my fingers, so pigmented. Then I'm adding a Vortex towards the outer corner of my eyes, just giving it more color, and also deepening it up, basically deepening my outer V. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. The shade is Caramel Beige. If you guys are newbies like me, you guys should start from the drugstore products. I am still using all the drugstore products. Like as you guys can see, I use the L'Oreal concealer, L'Oreal foundation. All of them are super, works like wonder on my skin, and I love it. So yeah, start with drugstore products, and I bet you guys will love it because it's really really nice, and also it's very affordable. Then I am just using my NYX powder contour palette, just giving some dimension to my face, not going with very high hand, very harsh contour, just some color. Then using some blush, also setting my under eyes and the places where I concealed with the same Huda Beauty loose setting powder banana bread. Then I'm using the exactly same shades under, like, smoking out my under eyes. I'm using Off Balance first, then Hot Mess and Vortex. As you guys can see, it's the same procedure, same colors for the lower lash line. I think it just makes it looking exactly same, and kind of like, making it look nice and married. Then I'm going with a blending brush and blending everything out, making it look nice and seamless. Using NYX setting spray and dabbing the beauty blender and just making sure all and everything is set and nice. Then I added some of the ultraviolet on my lid, and yeah, just beautiful. Curling my eyelashes. Adding some mascara, it just helps the false lashes look better. Yeah, already popped some lashes and lipstick. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for being here. And this is the final look I came out with, and I'm really loving my eyes. I actually wanted to go with like some soft pink look, but was looking really flat, so I added some purple to it and it just became glam, and I'm like, so yeah, as you guys can see, my eyes are, this is my very first time using any Huda Beauty palette, and I love it. I really love this palette now. As you guys can see, it was not intentional. I'm telling you guys, it's not intentional, but I kind of like recreated this look. You guys can see. Ta-da! But yeah, this palette is awesome, and I definitely recommend if you guys are a big fan of like retro colors. It's beautiful, and yeah, that's all. And if you guys want to see more new looks and have any recommendation, any suggestions, please let me know. I will definitely try my best to create a new look you guys are recommending. And also, if you guys are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and also spread some love. And thank you so much for watching this video, and stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.